Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. OpenAI has just changed the game again. The brand new ChatGPT Agent is here. And it's not just smart, it's actionable. This isn't just another chatbot, this is your new AI assistant capable of researching, planning, creating, and even operating your browser like a human. Whether you're a marketer, analyst, student, or just someone who wants to automate boring tasks, this tool might be the biggest leap since GPT-4. Stick around. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through what ChatGPT Agent is, what it can do, how to use it, benchmarks that prove it's powerful, and finally, pricing and availability. Let's dive in. So, what is ChatGPT Agent? Think of the ChatGPT Agent as a mix of an expert researcher and an executive assistant built right into ChatGPT. It doesn't just answer your questions, it can take actions for you. It combines two major superpowers. First one is ChatGPT's operator tool, and the second one is deep research. So it's not just smart, it's capable, and you can give it a task and it completes it from start to finish. So, like business tasks, it can brief you on your next client meeting using news from the web, compare competitor websites, and generate a summary report. Create an Excel spreadsheet or PowerPoint presentation based on your prompt. So, you can plan a week of meals and generate a grocery list, recommend vacation itineraries, and even pre fill reservation forms, read your calendar, and suggest adjustments based on traffic or events. It can summarize research papers, automate recurring reports like AI news summaries every Monday, and your creative tasks, generate slideshow decks with visuals, research and draft blog posts or email campaigns. The UI, clean and simple. You can watch the agent as it switches between browsing and summarizing. And if needed, you can interrupt at any time, just like taking the wheel from a self driving car.
Okay, so we are on ChatGPT, as we all know and love. And to turn on the agent mode, you just click the tools menu and select agent. You can also just type agent in the composer bar and it'll take you to the agent mode. Edward and I have a wedding to go to later this year. It's for one of our mutual friends. Should we have the agent planner?
Yeah, let's do it. I need an outfit. And don't forget the gift.
Okay, great. We won't forget the gift. It's a little bit of a longer prompt, so I have it copied in my buffer. So I'm just going to go ahead and paste it. Okay, so let's see what it says. Our friends are getting married later this year, as I said, Minnie and Sarah, and we want the agent to help us find an outfit that matches the dress code, propose a few options, nice, mid-luxury, taking into account venue and weather. We also want to find us some hotels, and as Edward said, don't forget the gift. So let's see and send the prompt away. As Sam said, agent uses a computer. So in the beginning, it sets up its environment. It'll take a minute or two, or not really, 5 seconds to set up its environment. And in this case, as you see, it understands the prompt. It's asking for me for a clarification. I'm just going to let it just continue and work anyway. I think it got confused by saying, "Oh, where's the what exactly is the time of the date of the wedding?" I think it'll figure out using the website. Okay, cool. So now it's kicked off. It's starting to process the prompt, and it's opened up a browser. And to walk you through what's happening, here's Lisa.
Yeah. So as mentioned, we gave the agent access to its own virtual computer. And the computer has many different tools installed, and it can choose which to use as it's working through the task. So in ChatGPT, you can see a visualization of the agent's computer screen, and you can see overlaid its chain of thought in text, and that's what it's thinking as it's working through the task and deciding what to do next. We gave the agent access to two different ways to browse the internet. First, we gave it a text browser, and this is similar to the deep research tool. And this is what lets it really efficiently and quickly read many web pages and search for them. And we also gave it access to a visual browser, and this is similar to the operator tool. And this is what lets it actually interact with the UI of a web page. So it can drag things, it can use the cursor to click around, it can open UI components, it can fill out forms and enter text in text areas. It's very flexible.
Now let's talk numbers. On humanities last exam, a benchmark that tests reasoning and problem solving, ChatGPT Agent scored 41.6, beating even Grok 4 XAI's latest release. So here's what that means. With basic GPT-4, you get smart answers. With tools like browsing and the terminal, you unlock new levels of capability. Add agent mode, and you've basically got an intern who reads, writes, and clicks like a pro. So let's break down more results. So DS Bench tests real world data science, agent performs at state of the art levels. Spreadsheet Bench tests spreadsheet logic and data handling. Human benchmark 71.3%, ChatGPT agent 45.7%. That's nearly two-thirds of human level performance and improving fast. Investment modeling, major improvement over older GPT 3.5 or O3 models. Browse comp, web research test from 55.5% deep research to 68.9% agent. This shows it's not just reading, it's understanding and acting more like us. OpenAI emphasizes user control. Even though the agent can do a lot, you're always in charge. So you can stop a task anytime. For anything sensitive like passwords or payments, you'll get a prompt to handle it manually. And you'll see exactly which tools the agent is using and can revoke access at any time. Now, how do you get access? ChatGPT Agent is currently rolling out to the following plans: Pro tier, which is $200 per month, and it includes 400 messages per month with access to advanced tools like Agent, Code Interpreter, browsing, and more. Plus tier, $20 per month, includes 40 messages per month with access to GPT 4.0, but with limited usage of tools like the Agent. And you also have Team Plan, great for groups, include shared workspace features and early access to tools like the Agent. Now, for the Pro users, it's already rolling out, and for Plus and Team users, it will be rolled out over the next few days. So, if you're on the free plan, you'll need to upgrade. But even the $20 per month Plus tier gives you a taste of this cutting edge feature. Now, the ChatGPT agent isn't just a tool, it's a full digital assistant that works like a real person. So it browses the web, it reads, summarizes, and clicks, it builds decks and spreadsheets, and it learns as it goes. So, in short, it gets work done. So, if you're already using ChatGPT, this is the next level. And if you're not, now's a great time to try. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. See you next time.
Introducing PeopleBots. PeopleBots is your entire online sales, support, and coaching team. PeopleBots will learn your business and sell, support, and train for you. It can chat, it can even speak to your prospects. It can work 24/7 with no breaks and help you grow your business and get you happier customers. PeopleBots is the advanced AI website chat that your business needs today. It can be anyone you want it to be. It can learn and remember everything. Just give it instruction manuals, your knowledge base, or write a little document that tells everything PeopleBots need to know. PeopleBots help you sell, support, coach, speak. It can even work with human teammates. It will help you get leads, and PeopleBots learn continuously. PeopleBots can spark off the conversation by sending your customer a message. PeopleBots can integrate perfectly with your website's design. It can speak every language. It can also keep records of all chats. Like I told you earlier, you can customize PeopleBot's knowledge and personality, but that's not all. You can create many versions. You can create multiple bots, each with a different expertise and information to integrate on different websites or web pages. It has ready-made bots for you to use. No need to plug in your AI or bring in your API keys. Integrate PeopleBots in any web page in less than 2 minutes. And a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get PeopleBots now. Just go to getpeoplebots.in.